Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can change your name on your Air Canada ticket. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, they have mentioned this, you can say, article, and on this article you can see to manage your ticket, or you can say to change your name on your ticket, you need to call on their customer service team. The numbers you can see on your screen. So these are the number, you can dial these numbers, and when you connect you can tell them your query, like you want to change your, you can say, ticket name and all, and they will ask you some question related to your flight and all. And by using this method you can easily change your name, or you can say easily cancel your flight. So this is the method by which you can change or cancel your flight very easily. Okay, so this is the only best and the easiest way to change your name on your flight ticket. Okay, so if this video will helpful, please share your experience in our comment section, and if you have any kind of experience related to this information, you can also make a comment. Your comment will helpful for lots of people also. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.